A lot of friends, they started carrying big stones into the water. And then after a long day of carrying stones into the water, they had actually built their own artificial island. And then they held like the best summer party out there and kind of celebrated that they were in this together. You walk down the ramp and you can feel the waves rocking underneath you. And I feel like the winter edition with the sauna experience and the togetherness is connected to those values we have for the summer island. It's about creating activities and experiences where people are together, where they are enjoying themselves and forgetting about their busy everyday life. Working with Polhus, it's just been going phenomenally well. There was this yes hat attitude that was really happy and that I really appreciate. And then also when we encourage some challenges, it was not like, oh, we don't want to do this. It's more like, so what does it take in order to solve this? We have a lot of different people working there already, and then the Polhus guys just blended in very well.
It's a high finish, and I think people will actually see the sturdiness of it. When you build it in 90 millimeters, it is something special. It's a little bit thicker, give it another feeling when you come into it. You will get more cozy.
We think the island can be like an anti-stress offer for people, because here you just come down and you don't have to live up to anything when you go from your job, and then you can go to the island and you can relax, lower your shoulders and know that you are more than enough in who you are.